Alright, what's going on here, everybody? It's 1 million episode number 18 here. So, this past week has been sort of red, but that's alright because, we were previously at like all time highs. Like, right. And, for a red week, it really hadn't been that red. Like, we got up here and then we stayed in the same sideways. The Fed cut interest rates, as I'm sure you guys probably know, and you should know. They started cutting interest rates. They cut it by 0.5%, and they're going to continue to cut it for the next 3 years. That's their plan. As long as inflation doesn't rise too rapidly, they're going to continue to cut it. Or else, if it does rise too rapidly, they're going to have to be forced to raise interest rates once again. Which, in my opinion, they're only going to cut them for like another year, and then they're going to have to catch up. Inflation's going to run amok, and then it's going to have to raise interest rates probably higher than to what they were before. So we'll see how it goes. But yeah, this is where we're at. Past week. So Palantir, 72, 16, Lemon. Let's see what's going on with this. It's fighting the resistance. Honestly, I think it's already in the beginning of counter trend, reversing trend. It'll start to make higher highs and higher lows. Yo, I hardly have any money in it. Google, 10%. So we did get a good position on it. Just ride the wave back up and then we'll sell. Who knows? It's Google. That's where we're at. So yeah, haven't sold every move I made. You guys have seen or every major move, and yeah, like pretty much through here I've just been holding. Or slightly, maybe I sold some more than but I mean, the main thing to take from this is just like there were so many times where everyone said the market's gonna crash, this, that, and the other. You just can't panic sell. You can't panic sell. If I would have panic sold right here, I would have lost all the gains I made. And then I would have never reached these highs. Or if I would have panic sold right here, look, I would have never reached up here, and then same thing right here. But I mean, by this time, honestly, the whole time I was forward. Because Palantir is just an AI play. I mean, come on, there's no way. And Lululemon is just like, it's a reputable company. It has just a good, solid company. It's making money. Maybe it was down in the cyclical terms, but I thought the market presented me with a good opportunity, so I bought somewhere right around here. You can see the dip. I was wrong. If I would have had more money, I would have picked my position even more. Yeah, we're down this much, but I'm not selling. Google was just something we sold ourselves for. About Google because they got an antitrust. I think they got a anti-monopoly lawsuit. But I mean, come on, it's U.S. There's no way they're gonna break them up. So it was just a whole bunch of motion in the market, which we capitalized on. We're up 10%. We can write it out. So yeah, that's just a little update. Past week, it's looking like yeah. So I have right now earlier right before I made this video, I had to transfer like $16.28 or something like that to cover the interest on the margin I was using as well as the monthly cost of gold because that was negative. So I had to do this.